Samsung Pass versus Samsung Wallet. What's the difference? Choosing the right Samsung security and payment tool can completely change how you manage passwords and payments without confusion. Samsung Pass handles login credentials, while Samsung Wallet focuses on digital payments and cards. Samsung Pass and Samsung Wallet serve different purposes. Samsung Pass securely stores your passwords and biometric data for easy device and app access. Samsung Wallet acts as a digital wallet for payment cards, tickets, and membership passes. The core difference lies in security versus payment management. Samsung Pass is a biometric authentication service integrated into Samsung devices. It securely stores your passwords, usernames, and biometric data such as fingerprints or facial recognition. When you access apps or websites, Samsung Pass autofills your login credentials, speeding up access while maintaining security. It uses Samsung Knox security framework to protect your data from unauthorized access. The service also supports biometric authentication, eliminating the need to remember complex passwords. Samsung Pass works seamlessly across Samsung smartphones and tablets, supporting major browsers like Samsung Internet and Chrome. However, it is limited to credential management and does not handle payment cards or transactions. Ideal users are those who want a secure and convenient way to manage multiple passwords and biometric logins across apps and websites without compromising security or usability. Samsung Pass simplifies authentication but does not replace payment solutions. Samsung Wallet is a comprehensive digital wallet designed to store payment cards, membership cards, tickets, and boarding passes. It securely holds credit and debit cards, allowing users to make contactless payments with Samsung Pay integration. Samsung Wallet also stores digital tickets and loyalty cards, consolidating essential items into one app. The wallet uses tokenization and Samsung Knox security to protect your financial data during transactions. It supports NFC payments at compatible terminals and online purchases where Samsung Pay is accepted. Unlike Samsung Pass, Samsung Wallet focuses on payment and card management rather than login credentials. Limitations include dependency on merchant acceptance of Samsung Pay and device compatibility. Ideal users are those who prefer a digital solution to carry cards and tickets without physical wallets, streamlining payments and access to offers. Samsung Wallet enhances convenience for financial transactions and event access, but does not manage passwords or biometric logins. Samsung Pass and Samsung Wallet complement each other but serve distinct roles. Samsung Pass is best for managing secure logins and biometric authentication, making it ideal for users who prioritize quick and safe access to apps and websites. In contrast, Samsung Wallet focuses on financial transactions and card management, perfect for users wanting to replace their physical wallet with a digital alternative. For example, if you need quick app logins and password management, Samsung Pass is the tool to use. If your priority is contactless payments and storing tickets or loyalty cards, Samsung Wallet fits better. The trade-off is between security credentials and payment convenience. Both use Samsung Knox for security but target different needs. Samsung Pass secures identity, while Samsung Wallet secures financial and membership data. Choose Samsung Pass if your main concern is secure. Fast biometric login and password management across apps and websites without juggling multiple credentials. Opt for Samsung Wallet to consolidate your payment cards, tickets, and loyalty programs into one secure digital wallet, simplifying purchases and event access. Together, Samsung Pass and Samsung Wallet provide a complete solution for managing your digital identity and finances efficiently on Samsung devices.